Hi friends, this is Agnello Rajesh here from St. Angelo's Professional Education on another episode of Inspiring Conversations. How to have an effective business communication. Friends, communication is a skill which some people master and become successful faster than others. Skill in the art of communication is crucial to an entrepreneur's success. He can achieve nothing unless he can communicate effectively. It's a science. What words to be used and how is a calculated science. The right words trigger the right and positive emotions from the people. You can have brilliant ideas, but if you can't get them across, your ideas won't get you anywhere. Well friends, it's very important for individuals as well as companies to do effective communication with their customers, employees, society, government, etc. Let's discuss communication expertise with relation to business success. There are various parameters that need to be maintained for successful business communication, which is an integral part of any growth story and profitability of any enterprise. Developing excellent communication skills is absolutely essential to effective entrepreneurship. The entrepreneur must be able to share knowledge and ideas to transmit a sense of urgency and enthusiasm to others. If the entrepreneur can't get a message across clearly and motivate others to act on it, then having a message doesn't even matter. We need to maintain a few points. For example, clarity. All communication of a company has to be crisp and clear. Any networking organizations teach entrepreneurs to present themselves in flat 45 seconds, which will include the company's name, nature of the business, target customer base, USP of the business, etc. What the company communicates to the world through direct communications, emails, social media, advertisements has to be brief, short and clear. It should always leave a lasting impression on the minds of the people. For example, the Cadbury's ad, "Kuch meetha ho jaye," is short and crisp and makes us feel to have it. The difference between the right word and almost the right word is the difference between lightning and the lightning bug. Think like a wise man, but communicate in the language of the people. Your customers dream of a happier life. Don't just focus on moving products, but enrich lives. Communication works for those who work at it. The customer should understand from your communication on how you can make his life better by offering your product or service. For example, Toyota Innova, it promises a full family experience, a holiday car plus an office car plus ample comfortable seating. When people watch the communication, it looks like an assurance to him on what's being displayed. What you communicate is as important as how you communicate it. It's also very important to keep in mind that our communication matches our performance. Watching our communication, which should be definitely done by experts, if our performance does not match, then it will be a huge letdown and people will react negatively and will be vocal about their displeasure. Friends, all our communication channels need to speak the same story. The visiting cards, the brochures, the leaflets, the websites, the social media, the electronic media, the posters, the hoardings, the emailers, our staff, absolutely all should speak the same message and communication. There has to be a complete sync. For example, Amul promotes their products through smart statements on current affairs on billboards and hoardings, and the same are displayed on their websites and other communication. This is a very good example where the company has successfully penetrated into so many homes of the country and also world over. All the communication that happens need to be from the heart. You should mean what you communicate and not just a marketing strategy. Your staff, customers and everybody with whom you communicate will entirely rely on you once it is established that what is communicated is committed. And believe me friends, it's a position of strength. This is Agnello Rajesh from St. Angelo's Professional Education. This is one more inspiring conversation to help you.